Here we are from Indiana again in another What Do You Think? Let Us Know. This is the all-new Cherokee Wolf Pup 17SC floor plan. You have a mini fridge outside. This is a couple's coach weighing in at only 4,200 pounds. It has a slide out with your Jiffy sofa. Nice option here is a lot of folks in smaller units, you only get the one seating, and you would normally have a table to sit in front of that Jiffy sofa. But with this, you get the extra seating with an actual little kitchen nook, I guess breakfast nook. So there's no hauling a table around, setting a table up. It's all there for you. Nice big window above the breakfast nook. Your large fridge. Great rear kitchen. So yeah, nice option, couple seating spaces, and again, not having to move that table or set up a table in the washroom. Nice sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, foot flush toilet, and your shower. And back here in the bedroom, you've got some great storage up and around the bed. Nice space. So here's a quick sneak peek of the Wolf Pup 17SC. Let us know what you think.